Hello, I'm Ron Gerber, the CEO of AngelBee, excited to bring to you experts from AWS and Avalon Bay. Let my colleagues introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Daniel Ben. I am the AWS account manager, and I lead the partnership between AWS and Avalon Bay from the AWS perspective, as we've been helping Avalon Bay build a seamless customer experience.
Hi, my name is Amarpreet Kalra. I work as a senior solutions architect with AWS. In my role, I work as a trusted advisor with Avalon Bay in their journey to a digital transformation.
Hi, my name is Kaushik Dey. I'm the Director for Software Engineering in Avalon Bay.
We are so pleased to be here. Kaushik, thanks so much for having us. We're in Brooklyn at this beautiful Avalon Bay community here. And I just wanted to kick things off by asking you a general question about your journey. Because Avalon Bay has gone from being a real estate focused company to now being a technology focused company. So can you just tell us a little bit about that experience, that process?
Yep, thanks Daniel. So if, as you asked, 18 months, how was our journey? So initially it was lift and shift, and then we took the strategy to transform towards serverless computing. So we started developing 18 months before starting with our search application. So if you go to avaloncommunities.com, where user lands and they look for their next home, and then followed by, once they find their the next home, then the leasing application, we call it App Lease, and the next one is online renewals. Once they are complete with the lease, so they have the option to renew their lease, through online. It's a self-serve online renewals, and the entire search, app lease, or online renewals were developed with serverless computing, and that is a big contribution of AWS because our end-to-end was delivered on the AWS infrastructure.
That's really great, Kaushik. So can you also tell us how's your partnership been with the AWS account team, and how we help you achieve some of your goals?
Yes, absolutely. So the partnership is, end to end. Just for an example, when we decide that we need to enhance or we need to develop any business functionality, the first thing we do is, partnering with AWS about our design. So these are the AWS services we are using. This is the architecture, and we review with AWS team, make sure we both are aligned. So that is our step one. Then with that, starting from the design all the way to production and monitoring, we partner with AWS. Sometimes we engage AWS SMEs for any workshop, for technical discussions, to make sure Avalon Bay and AWS is completely aligned, and we are implementing based on all the best practices.
I will say, we just love having that kind of partnership with you. So thank you and your team for that. I'd like to ask too, because you talked about the search application, the leasing application, the renewals application. There's tons of applications here. I'm curious what the feature has in store for you. What's next? What's coming down the pipeline for you in terms of development priorities?
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, our next strategy is sustainability with zero carbon footprint, data governance. We are already discussing with AWS team about the data governance. And the next one we are already started working is generative AI.
And what do you think we can do being at AWS to help you, something which you've already done, but something better which you are seeking from us to achieve the goals which you're planning for the next couple of years?
Thanks, Amarpreet. That's a great question. So we'll continue definitely with the partnership and to make sure we have strong collaboration during every stage of our digital transformation. We also know that AWS has great culture towards innovation. We want to learn more about it, and we want to bring that within our Avalon Bay culture as well. AI and ML have been a focus for Avalon Bay for many years. And at Avalon Bay, we use many of the capabilities with Amazon are driven by ML. One of the most common applications of generative AI and large language models, LLMs, in our environment is answering questions based on Avalon Bay knowledge corpus.